Hi everyone. Today discuss about the potential difference between any two points in a given circuit. Okay. Find out the individual currents in a given circuit. Okay. First of all, any circuit here, for example, two resistance. Yeah. For example, this one here R1. This is the R2. Another two. Okay. For example, this circuit P Q R S. Okay. This current passing through the enter into the circuit I. This is B, this is A, is in between, PQ in between C, RS in between D, 2 points, C point and D point. Find out the potential difference C point and D point. Okay, how to find out the here potential difference? Okay, first of all, this current passing into the enter into the this circuit at point, for example this point, this I current dividing into two parts, I1, for example this is a I2, I2 passing through the R and S, I1 passing through the PQ resistance and QQ resistance. Okay. Total current, total current I is equal to here I1 plus I2. First of all, these two are in series combination. P and Q are in series combination. Here R and S series combination. This series combination, the effective resistance is equal to the sum of the individual resistances. Okay. For example, this one here R1. R1 is equal to sum of these two, P plus Q. These are series. Okay. And also R and S. This for effective resistance, for example, R2 is equal to R plus here S. These are in series combination. Okay. Now these two are R1 and R2 parallel combination. R1 and R2 are parallel combination. So effective resistance R is equal to R1 effective, R prime is equal to, for example, R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. Okay, this is the effective resistance in given circuit. Total resistance, total effective resistance R prime is equal to R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. Here R1 is equal to P plus Q, R2 is equal to R plus S. Now current passing through the P and Q. Here I1 is equal to here I1 is equal to total current. Total current means here I, the resistance of opposite branch. The resistance of opposite branch. That means here the current passing through this circuit, this P and Q. Opposite branch means here R and S. So current passing through the P and Q. I1 is equal to total current into here R plus S. R plus S by total resistance. By total resistance. So total resistance P Q R plus S. This is a I1. Similarly, I2 is equal to I2 is equal to the current passing through the R and S. I2 is equal to total current into the resistance of opposite branch. The resistance of opposite branch P and Q. That means here P plus Q by total resistance. Total resistance P plus Q plus R plus S. This is the I2. This one here I2. Now find the potential difference between points here C and D. C and D. How to get this here? Potential difference between P here, for example V1. The potential difference between here P2. For example, so V1 is equal to the current passing I1. The resistance here P. Here resistance here P. V2 is equal to current passing to the P2, I2 and R. Okay. Potential difference between AC. Potential difference between AC is equal to VA minus VC is equal to here I1P. I1P. Here this equation 1, this equation here 2. Potential difference AC. VC is equal to here I1 value is here. This is equation 1. Equation 1 substituting in here. This one, in this equation. So I into R S S into P by total resistance here P plus Q plus R plus S. This is the potential difference between A, C. Similarly, potential difference between A and D. A and D is equal to V2, that is equal to I2 here R. Okay, R simplies VA minus VD is equal to I2 means equation 2 substituting in this equation 2 I into P plus Q, P plus Q by total resistance R plus P plus Q plus S. Okay, this is the equation for example A, this is equation B. Potential difference between points C and D. Now we will get equation okay 2 and 1, for example 2 and 1. Equation 2 VA minus VD, okay, minus equation 1 VA minus VC is equal to here I into P plus Q into minus here minus denominator is here same, denominator here same, minus I R plus S into P here into R. Okay, R by denominator here total resistance P plus Q plus R plus here S. This is a simplify. After we get here VA minus VD minus into plus minus VA minus into minus plus here VC is equal to here R is common term, R here common in this, okay, R into P, PR plus R into Q, QR minus into plus minus P into R, PR. So minus into plus minus P into S, PS by total resistance P plus Q plus R plus S. In this equation cancelling PR here negative values P are here positive. This one here get cancelled. This one here get cancelled. So remaining potential difference between C and D. This is a positive values. This is a negative. VC minus here VD. VC minus VD is equal to total current into remaining turns QR minus here PS by total resistance P plus Q plus R plus S. This is a potential difference between any two points. Okay. Here C point in between P and Q resistors, D point here in between R and S. Okay. The total current I is equal to I1 plus I2. Effective resistance R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. Here R1 is equal to P plus Q, R2 is equal to R plus S. So I1 is equal to I into R plus S by total resistance. I2 is equal to I into P plus Q by P plus Q plus R plus S. So the potential difference between CD is equal to VC minus VD is equal to I into Q R minus PS by P plus Q plus R plus S. Here case 1, here VC greater than, for example, VD. VC greater than VD. That means the current passing through the C to D. Current passing from C to D. Equation 1. Case 2. Here VC less than VD. That means the current passing from D point to C point. The case third case. Okay. VC is equal to VD. That means the given circuit is Western bridge, balancing Western bridge. Three cases. VC greater than V2, the current passing through from VC to C point to D point. VC less than VD, the current passing through from D point to C point. Here VC is equal to VD. This is the balancing Western bridge. Okay. Note this one. Okay. For example, one problem. Find the potential difference. Here I is equal to, for example, 4 ampere. I is equal to total current here. I is equal to 4 ampere. Here P is equal to 2 ohm. For example, Q is equal to 3 ohm. Okay. And R is equal to, for example, 5 ohm. For example, S is equal to 20 ohm. Find the potential difference between VC, VD. Okay. And I1 question mark, I2 question mark, and resistance, effective resistance. Find the effective resistance. Potential difference between C and D, current passing through the PQ and current passing through the RS, the effective resistance. Find out the effective resistance. Okay. First of all, this formula, potential difference. In a potential difference formula here, VC minus VD is equal to here I into Q. This is one QR minus PS by total is P plus Q plus R plus S. Okay. Next, R1 is equal to, I1 is equal to formula here total current into opposite resistance here R plus S by total P plus Q plus R plus S. Next, I2 is equal to formula here total current into opposite current resistance, opposite I2 passing through the here I2, opposite branch, the distance of the opposite branch is equal to this one total P plus here Q by total resistance. So R is equal to R prime is equal to R1 plus here R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. Okay. So this value substituting here we can simply. Okay. So first one R1, for example here P and Q are series combination. So R1 is equal to P plus here Q, P value is here 2 and Q value is here 3, that is equal to 5. This is a R1. Okay. Next R2. R2 is equal R and S, these are in series combination. So the sum of the individual resistance, that is equal to effective resistance. R2 is equal to here R plus S, that is equal to R is equal to here 5 ohm and S is equal to 20 ohm, that is equal to 25 ohm. This is a R2. Okay. Okay. Effective resistance in a given circuit. So this one and this one, these are in parallel combination. So effective resistance R prime is equal to R1 R2 by R1 plus here R2. This value substituting here. So simplifies R1 value is 5 ohm into R2 25 by 30. 5 plus 25, that is equal to 5 into 25 into 30. 5 1 ja 5 6 ja, that is equal to, for example, 25 by 6. This is a effective resistance. One value say we get good. Next one I1 value is here I1 is equal to total current here formula I1 okay, I1 formula here, this is a R plus S by total resistance P plus Q plus R plus S. Okay. Simplifies I4 total current here given values 4 amperes, R plus S. So R by S 20 by total means here 30, 2 plus 5 plus 3 plus 20, that is equal to 25 by 30. This is a 5 5 ja 5 6 ja 2 2 ja 2 3 ja. So here remaining terms 2 into 5 by 3, that is equal to 10 by 3. Here I1 is equal to here I1 is equal to 10 by 3 amperes. Okay. Then next one I2 is equal to total current 4 into here P plus Q, this wires 5 plus I2 is equal to 2 plus 3 by 30. So 4 into 5 by 30, 5 1 ja 5 6 ja 2 2 ja 2 3 ja, that is equal to 2 by 3. So the current passing through the R is I2 is equal to 2 by 3 amperes. This is a I2. Finally, potential difference between CD points. So this one here, note it. Okay. Potential difference between C and D. Their values, this formula, direct formula. Here VC, V minus VD is equal to I into I means here 4 amperes, P R Q R Q value is here 3 into R value is here 5 minus opposite 2 into 20 by total means here 30, 4 into 15 minus here this is a 40 by 30, 4 into minus values minus 25, okay, by 30, 5 5 ja 5, 6 ja 2 2 ja 2, 3 ja, so 2 into 5 by 3, that is equal to 10 by 3 volt is equal to 3.33 volt. Okay, this is a potential difference between here C and D. So therefore VC minus here VD is equal to 3.33 volt. Okay, note it. Next one. Okay, now ring P and Q any 2 points on the resistance ring. It has resistances R. Find the potential difference between the 2 points. That means here this is for example ring. This one here ring. The radius of the ring here for example R. Radius of the ring here R. Okay, any 2 points on ring on the ring. For example, this is a P point. This is a for example Q point. Okay, the total resistance of the ring here R. The total resistance of this ring here R. The radius of the ring here. Radius of the ring small, for example smaller. Okay, find the potential. Sorry, find the effective resistance in between P and Q points. Find the effective resistance between P and Q. So these two parts divided. This is the two parts. Okay, this is angle T. P. This is TL part. This is a DL element or portion. Small portion here. PQ small portion DL element. The remaining this one here 2 phi minus theta. 2 phi minus theta. So P and Q are 2 points on a ring of resistance here R. Find the effective resistance. In between here PQ points. P and Q points. Okay, here two portions PQ, for example PQ, yes, P and this is a okay, two portions here. Portion 1 P S Q portion. Next portion here P remaining part, that means P Q. Okay, first of all find the total resistance here. Total resistance to R. The portion P S Q. R1 is equal to, for example, R1 resistance, portion PTS resistance. Okay, correct. Okay, resistance of PTS equal to R2. So these two are in parallel combination. The effective resistance here, effective resistance R5 is equal to R1 plus R2 by R1 plus here also. Effective distance is R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. This is a one junction. This is a, for example, 2 points, means that nothing but here junction. So this is a P point. For example, this is Q. Okay, the distance of the P Q, this portion here. Okay, junction here, here junction. This is the R1, this is the R2. These are two in parallel combination. First of all, total resistance, small d element dl, small element here dl. dl is equal to R1 is equal to total resistance by the circumference of the ring, that means here 2 pi r into small element here dl, but this is a arc, this dl is a arc, this is a angle theta, this one here a radius. Angle is equal to arc by radius, angle theta is equal to dl by r, implies here dl is equal to r theta, this is angle is equal to arc by radius, your angle here theta, the arc is dl element of the ring and this is a radius, so dl is equal to r theta. So this value is here substituting here, so r1 is equal to r by 2 pi r into dl value is here r theta. Okay, r get cancelled, simplifies here r1 is equal to remaining terms are total distance of the ring and angle by 2 pi. This is the portion PSQ, the distance of the portion PSQ. R1 is equal to r theta by 2 pi. Here remaining the portion PTQ. This is the R2. This one here, distance here R2. So R2 is equal to total distance by 2 pi r, remaining angle. So this is a r theta, remaining angle, this is a theta, remaining angle here 2 pi minus theta, r into 2 pi minus theta. So r get cancelled, simplifies here r2 is equal to remaining r into 2 pi minus theta by theta. This is a equation 2. Okay, this is a equation 2. This is a equation 1. Now equation 1 and equation 2, that means here resistance of the portion PSQ, the resistance of the PTS, yeah, these are two in parallel combination. So find the effective distance in the given ring. Effective distance here given ring. This is a note. Okay. Effective distance r prime is equal to, effective distance here r prime is equal to r1 r2 by r1 plus here r2. R1 values and R2 values, R1 and R2 values substituting in this equation. So R prime is equal to R1 r theta by 2 pi into R2 r into 2 pi minus theta by 2 pi. Okay, by big by theta r theta by 2 phi plus, okay, r into 2 phi minus theta by phi. Here denominator is same in this way, 2 phi and 2 phi. So simplifies. So effective distance r5 is equal to 2 phi into 2 phi 4 phi square. And this is a r theta r into 2 phi minus theta by 4 phi square. Okay, this is a denominator relation reverse into 2 phi by r theta plus r into 2 phi minus theta, 2 phi minus theta. Okay, so simple 5 ones cancel, 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. That means here r prime is equal to r into r square theta into 2 phi minus theta by here r theta plus cross multiplication inside r into 2 phi r, 2 phi r minus plus into minus r theta. Okay, here this is a positive value, here this is the negative value, this is cancel, this term is a cancel by remaining 2 into 5. Okay, simplifies r prime is equal to r square theta into 2 phi minus theta by 2 phi into 2 phi r, 4 phi r square, 4 phi r square. So only once. Okay, 4 pi square r, 4 pi square r. Here square example problem on ring. Okay, for example, the ring has 40 ohm. The ring has 40 ohm resistance. This is the ring. Okay, the portion of the ring is the theta. Theta is equal to, for example, 90 degrees. Theta is equal to 90 degrees. This P, this one here Q, P, S, P, S, Q portion, DL, resistance here R1, P, T, Q portion, DL2 is equal to, for example, R2. Okay. The resistance of the ring is equal to, for example, 40 ohm, 40. Find the R1 and R2, R1, R2 and effective resistance of the ring. Okay, of the ring. First one, portion P S R, R1 formula r theta by 2 phi, r theta by 2 phi. Here r value is 5, and r value is here 5. Theta is equal to 90 is equal to 5 by 2, 5 by 2 by 2 phi is equal to 5 into 5 by 2 into 2 phi. Okay, so 5 phi cancel, 2 to the 4, 4 4 cancel, so 10 ohm. This is a portion, this portion PSQ portion, R1 is equal to 10 ohm. Next, further R2 is equal to R into 2 phi minus theta by 2 phi. Okay, value substituting here, R1 R 40 ohm, 2 phi minus pi by 2, theta value is pi by 2. This is a are 2 5. Place 40. 2 2 ja 4. 4 5 minus 5. 3 5. 3 5 by 2 by 2 5. Okay. Simplifies 40 into 3 5 by 2 5 into 2. Okay. 5 5 cancel. 2 2 ja 4. 4 1 ja 4 1 ja. Sorry. Oh, okay. 10 into remaining 3 simplifies R2 is equal to 30 ohm. R2 is equal to 30 ohm. Now, finally, the effective distance of the given ring R is equal to R1 R2 by R1 plus R2 is equal to formula, direct formula R theta into 2 phi minus theta by 4 pi square. 4 pi square. Okay. Just to simple value substituting, effective distance R is equal to pi values here 40, theta values here into pi by 2, 2 minus theta, that is equal to 3 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2 by 4 pi square, 4 pi square. So 40 into pi into pi, pi square, 3 pi square, 2 to the 4 into 4 pi square. Pi square get cancel. 4 1 ja 4 1 ja. Remaining 10 into 3 by 4, 30 by 4, 7.5. Okay, simplifying 7.5. This is a resultant or effective resistance of the given ring. Okay?